Hi, if you have always wondered why most traders use multiple screens for trading, or if you are a trader yourself and you are confused, how many screens should you use for trading? Today I will try to answer all your questions in this video by showing you my screen setups, and I will explain you why and how I use multiple screens. So let me show you what kind of screen setup you use. See, I use a triple screen setup. On the left hand side you could see there are two monitors, right? And here on the right hand side there is my laptop, which is my third screen, right? So why do I use triple screens? These two screens, the desktops are used to monitor the charts. If let's say I'm trading in a particular security, if I'm let's say trading in IndusInd Bank, so on the one screen I will have the chart of IndusInd Bank, and on the other screen I will have chart of Nifty. And here on third screen, this laptop I use for placing orders or for tracking my position. And apart from that, if I have to have a view on how global markets are doing, so I use it for other purposes as well. I use it for checking how other markets are doing, or for other work, for checking emails, or for let's say whatever other work I have. So these two screens or these two monitors are used for tracking the charts. One is definitely going to be the index chart, whether it's Nifty or Bank Nifty. It depends upon what kind of position I'm taking, or what kind of trading I'm doing. And the another monitor is used for the security or the instrument in which I'm trading, or in which I have a position. So now you must be wondering how many screens you should use. What is the right number? Should you use 2 screens, 3 screens, 4 screens, or just single one screen is enough? Well, the answer depends upon you, what kind of trading you are doing, what kind of trader you are. If you are doing intraday trading, then ideally you should have at least 2 screens. Why? Because on the one screen you can track the chart of the security or index you are trading in, and on the other screen you can use it for placing your orders or tracking your position. Or if you have some other work to do, you can do on that second screen as well. But if you are not trading intraday, if you are not an intraday trader, you can use just one laptop. One screen is more than enough for swing trading or for positional trading. I recommend you to use just one laptop or just one screen. So is it mandatory to have dual screen or more than one screen for intraday trading? Well, as I just said, it depends upon you, how comfortable you are, what kind of trading you are doing, what kind of trading setup you are using, or what is your criteria for entering or exiting a trade. So it all depends upon you. On any day, using multiple screens, more than 2 screens, 3 screens, 4 screens, it's always going to be a challenging task for you. Or the more information you have, the more screens you have in front of you, the more it can have an impact on your decision making. So how comfortable you are in using dual screens or multiple screens will answer your question how many screens you should use. I personally believe in keeping things simple, using as less information as you could for taking your decisions or for taking your trades. So I hope I have answered all your queries regarding how many screens you should use, or what screen setup you should use, right? So in case you have any queries, you can definitely write it in the comment section. I will definitely try to answer your queries. And in case you are new to this channel, please go ahead and press the subscribe button.